catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life.
Look at this mess behind me, guys. But now we're just putting everything on top of the table. Everything is empty. I feel like I'm just like moving out. Might be the perfect time to move out, actually. So everything is empty. I'll show you guys my wardrobe. Everything is empty. I'm gonna get rid of them once and for all. Yes. Let me take this toilet paper. Oh, cups.
I could only get 10.
Oh, but that's okay. That's okay.
I can see you on a full board move.
Your ladies, your amazing ladies are helping me. Okay, yes, so, do you guys need with that? Thank you, darling. If you see the cleaners, send them up, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Hello? Hey, where are you?
Yeah, I'm still on the road. I'm coming.
It's past 7 o'clock.
Sorry. Just a little bit of flight from town, but I'm on my way.
So the girls have just left. They are amazing. So they're gonna come back tomorrow to clean this for me. And these are the girls that work in the building. The whole building has been amazing today, honestly. There's a shortage of bin bags. I couldn't find bin bags anywhere. The shop downstairs didn't have bin bags, so maintenance, they had to keep coming back and forth, send people outside to bring me bin bags. I think I've used about 20 bin bags, but they're small ones. Because apparently they stopped doing big ones, which I don't understand. But anyway, so these guys were meant to come. They were meant to come at 6 o'clock, guys. But anyway, let me look for my lip stuff. Like I haven't even straightened this hair, nothing. I just dashed it on. Well, whatever, it is what it is. So the only thing that I could find was a blush, liquid blush. So I'm gonna use that on my lips. Hope it stays, obviously it won't. Such a strange color, but whatever, I'm not trying to do too much anyway. At this point I'm starting to feel sorry for myself. I'm so sick, guys. I've really got a flu or something. So the cleaners are here. There's 3 of them, not the same cleaning company, no. This is a separate one that my friend recommended, and another 2 ladies that work in the building. So I'm helping them clean, so it's 4 of us cleaning. The house is a tip. It literally feels like I've just moved in. So they're cleaning and I'm like unpacking, but I feel like shit. I feel so terrible. I had brunch this afternoon with my neighbor. It's like 6 o'clock. Anyway, I need to get going. I'm so tired. So defeated. Yesterday, the girls that were helping me clean up the house, they're the cleaners from this place. So we had an appointment at 3 o'clock. You know what time they came? At like 5:30 or 6. Yeah, they came nearly at 6. Obviously, I wasn't gonna wait until 6. So my friend recommended another lady who's amazing at cleaning. So she came at 5 o'clock. And then the other girls, they decided to come at 6. Anyway, I needed all the help that I could get. So all 3 of them were cleaning. Alhamdulillah, they did an amazing job. I even helped them clean. I just couldn't sit because yes, I'm sick and all I want is just to lay in my bed and sleep. But I just wanted to speed up the whole process. So now the house is not exactly tip-top condition. I have so much laundry to do. But majority, the floors, the walls, the wardrobes, the cupboards, it's all done. I have no appetite, but I know they were hungry. So I had quite a bit of food left. I knew I wasn't going to eat. So they sat, they ate, we chatted. Lovely, lovely girls. The one girl that got recommended by my neighbor, I'm definitely going to keep using her at least once a week. And they're super, super affordable. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Yeah, let me know. Now I'm going to hop in the shower. But alhamdulillah, most of it's done. I swear to God, if I see another cockroach in this house, packing my bags, I'm out of this bitch, for real, for real. So I'm just gonna really, really tip them because I'm sorry, they were so good and they were so kind. Yes, there you go, everyone getting equal amounts. So hopefully that was the end of the cockroach story. Pray for me, guys.
You've been on my mind. One if you won't mind, we're doing mad anyway. I like you so much. Thought stop. You make me
promise you, if you put your mind to it and you work hard and you never give up and you do not listen to the rejection, you can achieve anything that life throws your
Just
way.
being the best version of yourself. I don't think you need to try to be anybody else. So I think that's always what I'm trying to remember.
People on this planet are willing to wake up every single day and go to the gym or to the trail and put themselves through consistent and constant adversity without immediate results. I'd say probably less than 5% of people are willing to do that. See, the truth is, when you take up running or you take up going to the gym and working out, if you go in the mornings or you go in the afternoon, you're not going to see results immediately. And so what working out and what fitness does is it teaches you delayed gratification.
Hello my beautiful people, I hope everyone is doing great. I'm gonna get my nails done, I'm gonna get my toes done. I haven't had my nails done, I'm gonna say 2 months or maybe longer. I don't know, I have such a sensitive nail bed, so I think I might do buyout. The thing is, with the nail place that I've been going to, they don't last too long. So last time I had buyout, they fell off within the first week. It's so hot today, but first thing first, let's go get a green juice. Oh yeah, and guys, I've been going to the gym. I'm super proud of myself. I've been going to the gym. I've been eating clean. I haven't eaten out. Yeah, I'm really on this. So let's go. Java was out of the green juice, so I went to CJ's to grab my favorite, the peach iced tea. I'm at the Bazaar Plaza, and I'm going to NAIROBI, whatever, this place. I mean, I heard great things on TikTok. I don't know if I could just go in. Hello. Hi. You guys want to know what time it is? It is 6:40. But it's my fault because I came late. I don't know what I think of my nails though. I mean, they're kind of cute. So I went for buyout. Hopefully they'll grow on me. I don't know. I'm not a big fan. But anyway, so I couldn't get my toes done. I'm going to do that tomorrow because I forgot how long it takes to get your nails done. It's literally a whole day process. So I didn't miss that. But anyway, I'm gonna go, I have an appointment with them again tomorrow at 10 AM to get my toes done. Am I gonna change my nail tomorrow? No, F it. They're cute, they look cute from the distance. I've gone super short. That's how it looks like. Anyway, so I'm starving and I am not gonna eat out. I'm gonna go home and then cook. And I even had a little dizzy spell while I was there. That was so weird. But I think it's because I didn't eat since breakfast, and I had breakfast at 9:30. Yes. It's the next day. So I'm finally getting my toes done, and I'm gonna get my lashes done as well today. So I'm gonna go to the same place yesterday. They were just like really slow. It literally took up my whole day. I feel so good. I went to the gym again this morning. I'm on a little roll. Yes, feel great. I want to keep it up. Hey guys, it's a few days later now. I'm on my way to Ngong Hills. Oh, that's my cab. He's already here, so I need to get going. I won't be taking my camera with me. I'm wearing this workout set that I got from Shein. Honestly, it's the best quality ever.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's a few days later. I'm gonna go to 2 viewings I've got booked for today, possibly 4, I don't know. But the first one is in Westland, so let's get going because I'm running late. So this is what I'm wearing. These trousers, they're from Zara. They're just like a very loose white leg trousers. And then this top is from Shein. Hi guys, so I've come back from the viewing. Actually, I've come back hours ago. I've just been chilling at home. After the viewing, I went and had lunch with my friend. So if you guys are interested and want to know more about these apartments that I'm viewing, I am filming a whole video dedicated to apartment hunting, and it will most likely come out after this video. So keep an eye out for that. I'm planning on traveling back home because I really miss my family. Initially, I wanted to go there for Ramadan, but now I'm like, I can't even wait until Ramadan. I really just want to see them, hug them, feel them, smell them. I've missed my family so much. And the kids are just growing up so quickly. And honestly, this is the longest that I've stayed away from my family. So I really felt emotional last week. And I was even contemplating of like moving back because I'm like, oh my god, I can't do this, being away from my family for so long, because they're the ones that fuel me. And yes, I speak to my mom nearly every single day, but it's just not the same without the stunning extensions. So what the yeah, but anyways, my lovelies, that's it for today. I'm gonna go hop in the shower, make a cup of tea, and just knock out and wake up inshallah nice and early tomorrow.